Hi, I'm Angela Lewis, Head of Customer Success at SpeakerHUB. First, I want you to know that you are in the right place. SpeakerHUB isn't just a platform. It's a community of leaders, speakers, entrepreneurs who are serious about visibility and impact. My role is simple: to make sure you feel supported, heard, and confident as you use SpeakerHUB to move your business forward. 3 things I want to encourage you to do inside this community. The first is share your wins. We are not a group of haters. We want you to succeed, and we will celebrate your wins. If you have a podcast interview, if you have a big speaking engagement, if you launched a new book, you launched a new course, a new program, you have a workshop coming up, we are all doing the work, and we know how hard it is. And we know that building this type of career can be a lonely place. So we are here to support you and to celebrate you. Share your wins. Second, connect. This is not a sit and get platform. We have a community of people who are building together, working together, supporting each other. If you see someone in your area, go meet up for lunch. If there's someone here who shares a similar business, reach out and find out how you can work together to support the same audience. Utilize this network in an authentic, genuine way to help each other grow, because business is a team sport. And then third, ask questions. Nothing is too big or too small. We are all on our own journeys, but there may be someone who you can help and someone who can help you. We are not gatekeepers and we're trying to keep you out of growing. No, we believe in abundance over here. There is enough to go around. Share any questions that you may have, because we are here to help and be coachable. Part of sharing your wins, and you get some really incredible feedback, go ahead and implement it and let us know how it went. We believe at SpeakerHUB that we only share what we know and what we've done. So anything you hear from our side is going to be proven based on our experience. Oh, and one more note on community and culture. We are all adults here. So let's lead with respect, kindness, and be thoughtful about the ways in which we disagree. We know that everyone is passionate about their business and have different perspectives, but we are a place where all people are welcome. And we promote connectedness and togetherness. We're a place full of love. Thank you again for joining our community. We look forward to meeting you. We're excited to welcome in our users who've been working with us for a while. And we are just excited about all that this community is and all that it will become. Keep winning.